Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from TikTok videos without apps in just few simple steps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not missing any new update in the future. And now, without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, first open your TikTok app, then search for any video that you want to remove watermark from it. Then tap the share button over here. Then tap copy link. After that, open your browser, then go to safety.cc. I leave you the website link in the description or in the first comment, okay? Then paste the video link here. Then click on search. Wait a few seconds. Then tap download. And like that, you can download TikTok videos without watermark, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.